Why can't I delete files that do not exist, but appear in my download directory? I've downloaded 3 videos. I moved them to a different folder where I put all my videos, however a copy of the files still show up in my download directory. I tried in Explorer and cmd.x to delete them, move them, rename them, or open them, but Windows says, could not find this item. So the file no longer exists in that directory, but it still appears there. How can I remove these from my download folder? I have also tried to replace the file with another by saving over it, but instead they sit next to each other side by side, and I can delete either one, but after that, the other can't be deleted. They also take up no space. I am using Windows 7 and the files were downloaded via Firefox onto an ntfs file system.
I have seen Explorer showing files for a while after they were deleted, so my first guess would be that it was in fact deleted but left behind as a ghost. If however the file is still present after rebooting, then it is not that. Instead, it could have been in use by a program, Explorer, or an antivirus program. I would suggest trying Unlocker to release/delete it, but again, you said the file was recreated, so it would not be that. Finally, I am left with only one option, a file name conflict. They are rare, they are not supposed to happen, but certain circumstances, like race conditions, can lead to them occurring. In this case, the best way to deal with them is the same as when dealing with files with invalid file names, like those with illegal characters in them or spaces in the DOS days. There are 2 ways to handle this situation now, both from the command prompt. So open a command prompt for the folder containing the files. Use /gt, dir/x and nbsb to view the 8.3 format file names and use that to delete the files in question. Or use wildcards like /gt, del problem file and nbsb.
Isn't related to the Windows 7 Explorer auto-refresh bug? Maybe. Try this fix by Nick on Pixel website. One, open my computer and click Organize in GT, Folder and Search Options. 2. Under the View tab, uncheck the Hide Protected Operating System Files, Recommended, option. 3. On your desktop, you should now see one or more desktop.ini files. Delete all of them. No, it won't break your system, they are auto-generated. 4. Reboot your computer. Problem solved. Source: this URL. Hope this helped. Let us know. Smile.
If you have WinRAR installed, you can try adding the pertaining files and/or folders to an archive via the Add to Archive ... option in the context menu and tick Delete Files after archiving in the bottom right corner. When you're done, simply delete the created archive. Courtesy of Reddit user Dirkjerpington Asir.
I had a similar problem, and what worked for me was creating a file with the same name, then deleting the new file.